One day, in the dense shade of the forest, there lived a monkey under a mango tree. The bunches of mangoes were filled with sweetness, and he was very happy, though somewhat lonely. One day, the sun shone near the lake, and a crocodile came by, leisurely and special. The monkey said, "Come, let's be friends, eat sweet mangoes, and cheer our hearts." The crocodile replied, "These mangoes are exquisite. You are very nice, oh my dear." Thus, a lovely routine began, and friendship regained its vibrant hue. The crocodile's wife was a bit cunning. She said, "Today, I need the monkey's heart." The crocodile panicked, feeling the pain inside. How could he say this when friendship was tied? He gathered courage and said, "Oh, my friend, my wife's love is quite strange. She desires your heart. She claims it's the most delicious part." The monkey laughed, but he was clever, saying, "The heart is up in the tree. Oh, pure. Let's go back. I'll fetch it right away. Then you can go your way peacefully, laughing all day." The crocodile understood and fell for the trick. He went back, and the monkey jumped quick. He said, "In friendship, deceit won't prevail. A heart is a heart, and a brain won't fail." Moral: be wise, even if a friend is a deceiver.